I wish to recognize that we have the area member of parliament. He has some issue which the electoral officials will handle later. Thank you for coming, Honorable Rukari. We thank the elders. We thank the elders. We thank the chairman of NRM, Honorable Wilson Tumwine. Muzei has been here with us. Twebaza ne secretariat yonna. Security agencies. Final twebaza candidates. Electoral officials don't go, please. We have, maybe you go to the office. We have some issue to handle, which Honorable has to raise. Go to the office, we shall handle it after the declaration. Don't go away. But now, twebaza mwena mwebalire ddala. Olw'obudde bugenze mwebale kubeera bampisa. Finally, the man of the day should make the announcement, the declaration of who the city mayor is, and then we go back to our business. Security temugenda tukyakora.
Abanyambara mwebale. Declaration of results for NRM primaries Mbarara City Mayor 2025. I, Kawesa Patrick, being the NRM Electoral Commission returning officer for NRM primaries for the position of Mbarara City Mayor, hereby declare the results as follows. Ahimsiwe areas, 91 votes, representing 0.2%. Nsimire Godwin, 334, representing 0.7%. Korishaba Evelyn, 2,984, representing 6.5%. Kamjsha Habati Mtunji, 6,541, representing 14.3%. Kamsimi Danson Ruhemba, 4,137, representing 9%. Fez Mrari, 12,926, representing 28.2%. Kachebezi Robert Mugabe, 18,800, representing 41%. I therefore declare Kachebezi Robert Mugabe, who has polled the highest number of votes, 18,800, representing 41%, as duly elected NRM flag bearer from Mbarara City Mayor 2025. Thank you. Sahabat biara fomu ya weriaha eware mnonga Kamsime Danson Ruhemba Nsimire Godwin Korishaba Evelyn, thank you. Ahimsiwe areas, Webare, Fez Mrari, thank you. Thank you, Mayor. Thank you so much.
Mwebale NRM General Museveni oye! Mbarara City oye! Etala! Oh! Oye! Vibe oye!
Nyenda kusima pate yitu ya NRM umuringo go mutano ahabwo kutaho entebe kanisa eji kandi no kureba ngo twayikayizobe. Nyenda kusima abantu bambarira site mwebare kwe utera karuru keshonga mwebare okworeka hajizi kandi mwebare obutatinatinisibwa mwebare mnongo. Ngenda kusima abumbe aba banywani banje abutugire kumumuresi na mnonga omwami Kamugisha Habati omwami Daniel Hemba omukyara Ivrini hamwe na munywani wanje Wakidu owabaryaha kandi hamwe n'abandi na says by the way nawe nayebare ukuzomuresa abwo kuba karuru ukimanyisa okusinga ninga obutarabamu. Yenda kusima mwena amana ganyu gumutiremu okusya abusinguzo akagambo akandi nikimanyisa ngo nubwo twatandika obu twakwata furaga nitutekwa kurwana ekintu kitu tuchendere kandi pate yitegume n'amani hatari okushorora hatari okubaganisa mu abantu kandi ndikwenda ngo tusasirane na nabo. Actually ninyenda ngo tugireho akantu ko kusasirana na nabo abo twakubasa kuba tutambikira n'ebigambo turi kurunda karuru. Niyo nambwe n'umutima gwanje gurumwere. I'm ready to work with everybody here kandi nabone mbakira n'ebiteekateko byabo. Ninyenda okugaruka kubasima banywani banje ndikwendera. Nyenda kusima security. Nyenda kusima security mwebare okukoraje mukarinda ebintu kurungi hatabireho kutaganjura. Nyenda kubasima mbatero security waye mwebare mnongo. Eki nkimanyisa ki? Eki nikimanyisa ngu NRM nezagume inamana gaya. Eki nikimanyisa ngu NRM nezagume inamana gayo abwo kwatino wakwata omukintu ekyo. Nyenda garuka kwendera banywani banje ndikubagira ngu obwire nubwo kandi RCC bajya ngo nkusima kenso mumukumire bugalo bansime nga balonda kati basi akalulu akaddako. Aha mwachura I want to thank you for being a strong person to remain here. I want to thank my brothers aba ONC PLU ababarya. They were here and they said they cannot allow confusion to be in this city. They witnessed the whole process and these are the results, members. When you twacheza kare nanye muntero mungaro owa chigambere naja kuchekana owa chigambere naza kuchekana owa chigambere naja kuchekana